Is there anything here that's vegan?
You.
You, it sounds like.
Joint on a corner where the big boys play.
Okay, when Ryan walked away, you saw his mic.
Oh my God, big time.
On my plate, sir. Did I order a dead animal?
Well, technically, yeah.
Yes, sir, it's right here. It's what you ordered. It is our special. It is our special.
So that's really the key line to trigger the...
Right, that's what we were waiting for.
One more time.
I'm trying to find something on your menu that's vegan.
Do you want him to be dumb or do you want him to be
Who dumb? I
Him.
can't see you. I just see you're like a witness
Him.
protection program over there.
him? Do you want him to be dumb or do you want him to be?
No, he's playing it great. I mean,
okay.
this is
No, if
real
you're happy,
life
then
for
that-
vegans,
no,
believe it or
that's-
not. You order vegan, they give you gluten free. Is there anything here that's vegan?
You.
You, it sounds like.
That was brilliant, Evan.
Did you need another second with the menu?
I'm not sure what happened.
After the you, is there anything here at all that's vegan? You.
Oh, do you want another second?
Yeah.
I'm gonna look up at you and then we'll say it together if that's okay.
Is there
So
anything?
he's walking away.
Anything vegan in this restaurant. You're mad. You're mad.
I'll give you, or I'll give you another second.
After they say
There you go.
he's gonna add,
Okay.
do you need another
All
minute
right.
with the menu?
Okay.
Right, gentlemen. Can I get you?
Go back to one, Ryan.
I mean, vegans look more though. You know, vegans look more like Gandhi,
We're way off script.
but with hiccups.
Sorry, what happened? You guys go much
We go
longer.
much longer, yeah.
Vegans are skinny. No offense, but you're not skinny. And vegans usually have longer hair and angry expressions on their faces.
Seriously?
I'm just saying. I mean, vegans look more like Gandhi, but with longer hair.
Really?
Do you have longer hair under that hat?
Even with the script in front of him.
Who, you or me?
Okay, back to one.
Him. No, this is hard.
He went so far off script.
Can you help him?
Yeah, I have the script right in front of me, Evan. That's my helping him.
And
Why didn't you just say that? I mean, that's the first sign of a vegan. You should have just said that. Yeah, we've actually got nothing here.
That was all the lines.
okay, back.
He's vegan. Okay?
Why didn't you just say that? That's the first sign of a vegan. Yeah, we've got nothing here. Should I give you another minute with the menu?
Okay, back to one.
That was one of my favorite parts. But otherwise, it was really
Had
good.
good energy though.
Yeah, I think so too. It's because I circled my lines. Just hilarious though. And I wouldn't say Fogmore.
I did that.
You knew it.
I did that to bust your
I
balls.
know. Of all the things to pick out.
Okay, so we're busting balls because we have so much time.
Right,
and
exactly. That's
still
what we all
rolling.
think right now. You don't actually take protein out of your vegetables, do you?
I don't think so. Let me check. I'll give you another minute with the menu.
That actually works that time.
Except you started
I
laughing.
know, except I started laughing because it actually works.
Okay, we're still
Understand
rolling.
what's so funny?
Ryan.
Stop laughing at me. Look, I'm just trying to find one thing in this restaurant that's vegan.
Is there anything in this restaurant that's vegan?
I mean,
You.
you.
I'm sorry.
You actually helped that along, by the way.
We're the only one.
I kept
It's on this
I kept trying to say to you, make sure you know.
Otherwise, how did that look? Did it look like...
the whole thing?
Sorry, he's like struggling to find that last line.